Looking for a solid little portable tripod when you travel with kids and family? Me too. Let's check out these two from Leofoto. Hi, this is David at TechnoBaba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's take a look at the MT-03 and MT-04 mini tripods from Leofoto. How they are similar and different, and if they can replace the Joby 3K Pro tripod I've been using for years. The MT-03 and MT-04 both come in simple boxes. The MT-03 comes with a soft zipper foam pouch. This combo comes with the LH25 ball head, Allen wrenches for adjusting the tightness of the leg joints, and simple instructions. The MT-04 comes with a bigger cloth bag and similar wrenches. This combo comes with the bigger LH30 ball head. First, their similarities. Both MT-03 and MT-04 are constructed from high-quality CNC machined aluminum, very solid and durable. The legs can be locked in 3 different angle positions using these latches. Just pull down and they can be locked into 35 degree, 55 degree, and 85 degree positions. There are rows of 1/4 inch sockets on the legs for attaching optional arms for accessories like lights and mics. On the bottom of the legs, there are round rubber feet to keep the tripod from sliding around. Most unique about these tripods, folded neatly inside the legs, are these extension sections. They can be unfolded to make the mini tripod taller and more stable, especially on uneven surfaces. They can even be used as hooks to hold onto a fence. Now that's cool. Now the differences. The MT-04 is basically MT-03's big brother. It's bigger and heavier. Here they are side by side. MT-03 is cute and small next to the MT-04. When folded, the MT-03 is 145 millimeters, or about 5.7 inches long. MT-04 is 170 millimeters, about an inch longer. MT-03 weighs only 160 grams, 5.6 ounces, while the MT-04 is twice as heavy at 320 grams. In addition, the MT-04 has an additional leg extension to make it even taller and more stable. The maximum height of MT-03 is 186 millimeters, about 7.3 inches, and MT-04 can go up to 290 millimeters, 11.4 inches. Lastly, the ball head that come with the combos I have here are different. The LH25 ball head that comes with the MT-03 is small and compact. It has one locking knob for adjusting the ball head and pen. The MT-04 comes with a beefier LH30 ball head. It has a much bigger plate, a level, and this separate locking knob for the penning base. So which one do I prefer? The MT-03 combo with the smaller LH25 ball head has a maximum load of 5 kilograms, which is quite a bit. My Sony a7R5 with the 24-70 GM lens weighs about 3.5 kilograms, and the MT-03 can handle it just fine. Of course, it's more than enough to hold smaller setups such as an iPhone, an action camera, Ricoh GRIII, or Leica Q3. It's so compact and portable, goes easily into my Peak Design 7-liter sling bag. By the way, this new Peak Design 7-liter outdoor sling has been my go-to compact travel camera bag. I did a quick shorts video about it when it came out, and am thinking about a more detailed video since I use it so much. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that video when it comes out. While MT-03 is so easy to take with me, I like how MT-04 can go taller with the extra section of legs extension. But to minimize size and weight when I travel, I've been taking the MT-04 with the smaller LH25 ball head instead. Since I use the tripod mostly for photography, I can do without the separate penning locking knob. It's still much heavier than MT-03, But MT-04 with the LH25 ball head can still squeeze into the 7-liter sling. When folded, this setup is more compact than my old favorite Joby 3K Pro, which I still use a lot. And it can prop up my camera higher than the Joby can when extended. It also supports higher maximum weight. I just wish it's lighter, but can't have it all. By the way, I'll put a link to my thoughts on the Joby 3 Pro in the description below if you want to check it out after this one. The MT-03 with the LH25 ball head retails for $139 US. The MT-04 with the LH30 ball head is $179. I'll put links with discounts from time to time in the description below. Leofoto also sells the tripods and the ball heads separately. I'll put links to them as well if you want to mix and match like I do. What tripods do you use when you travel with kids and family? I'd love to hear what you found. Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It helped me out a lot. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment.